These are our brand new trucks. We're getting ready to set a bed on. We'll bring a bed in, get it hooked up to our overhead hoist, set it on this truck frame, get it ready to get mounted down, check fitment, make it permanent. Now our bed is installed. We're going to take it next door to the welding shop. They will install all our bed mounts and we'll get it permanently mounted to this truck and frame. And we'll be ready for plumbing and finishing up all the rest.
Yeehaw!